Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Khymmie, and in today's video I will be showing you how to do a simple crochet chain. Now for this video or this project I will be using the 4.5mm hook, and I will be using the Red Heart Super Saver thread. Now this thread, it normally tells you on the label the weight or the size, which is a 4 or medium, and the size recommended hook. The recommended hook size if you're crocheting is 4.5mm, and if you are knitting it's 5mm. However, as I had mentioned before, I'll just be using the 4.5 crochet hook. Now let's get into it. The first thing that you're going to do, you're going to get one end of your yarn, okay, and some people will hold the crochet hook differently. Some will hold it like this and some will hold it this way. Whichever way is comfortable for you, you can hold it in that manner. So this way is more comfortable for me. So you're gonna yarn over and create an X and put your finger where the X is. You're gonna put your hook in between and over this part of the yarn, and you are gonna pull through. So that's the first part of it, right? And this free end you're gonna pull to make it a little bit, sorry, this end, not the free end, you're gonna pull to make it a little bit tighter, right? So this is the free end and this is the end which is connected. So separate. This is how I hold it. So hope you're seeing clearly, right? And pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. And as I go, I use my thumb to put pressure on the chain or guide the chain. So I yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a chain of 5 so far. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over. However way it's more comfortable for you to hold. This is the part that is connected. So if you want to hold it like this and do like this, and that's how it is. So this is a chain of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm gonna go to 15, 13, 14, and 15. So there you have your chain of 15, right? All right, there you go guys. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and meet me in the comments. If there's any question, if there's anything that you don't understand, you can leave it in the comments and I'll try my best to explain it. Happy crocheting!